Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs easy full guide. Crack eggs into a bowl, whisk briefly with a pinch of salt and a splash of milk, then heat a non-stick pan over medium. I explain simple steps for scrambled, fried, and boiled eggs, plus timing tips and common mistakes to avoid. This friendly guide keeps things practical and clear so you can confidently make eggs anytime, whether for breakfast or a quick dinner. Start with pan readiness and gentle heat control for the best results every time. I walk through proper timing, pan size, and fat choices so your eggs never stick or overcook. Learn how to adjust heat for creamy scrambled eggs, crisp-edged fried eggs, and perfectly set hard-boiled eggs using simple cues like jiggle, foam, and yolk firmness. These tips make cooking eggs predictable and satisfying for any skill level. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated in the kitchen. It fits in most cup holders and has a leak-proof lid that survives busy meal prep, which is oddly satisfying when you juggling pans. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Think about texture and timing when adding extras to eggs so they enhance rather than ruin the dish. I show when to add herbs, cheese, cooked veggies, and proteins so eggs stay fluffy and moist. This includes layering tips, seasoning balance, and quick combos that work every time. Follow these small adjustments to upgrade simple eggs into flavorful meals that are ready in minutes and easy to customize for any taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.